What's up, you guys? Veronica.Em here, back with another video. So today we're going to style this wig. I'm getting tired of just wearing my hair down, you know. Oh, hold on, let me fix my leg. I'm getting tired of just wearing my hair down, wearing basic styles, little curls, and that's it. I want to switch it up. I want to do something fun. So we're just gonna attempt to do a cute little hairstyle. I was trying to look up some hairstyles on Pinterest, but they was looking just like they were nice, but I don't really feel like doing all of that right now. Like, I want something cute but not too much, you know, cute and simple. So I think we're gonna do like the basic half up, half down, but with a little bit of a twist. Maybe add some curls here and there. I really don't know. I was just like, I'm about to do my hair, so let me show y'all. So we just gonna hop right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and take this band off. I worked out this morning, so you know I had to secure the lace. And the front is looking crazy from those little twists I had. If you didn't see my last video of me installing this, make sure you go look at my last video and then come back to this one. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna play around with it a little bit and then kind of see what we come up with. Alright, y'all, I'm thinking, should I do two like pigtail types, or should I do one half up, half down? What y'all think? One ponytail for half up, half down, or two cute little pigtails? See, this one I don't really be styling my hair, but I gotta get into doing different hairstyles. Like, you know, I be wanting to do different hairstyles, but one, I don't be having the time to, and two, I really just don't be having the time to. That really be all it is. But I'm gonna start doing different hairstyles and stuff, trying out different stuff, being extra, and then, you know, actually, dang, do I want to do flat iron curls? Actually, yeah. We're going to do some flat iron curls. I was just going to wet it and with a natural curl pattern, but we'll just do some flat iron curls. Make it even cuter. But yeah. I don't really know what the inspiration was behind this. Like, I was trying to do a more intricate hairstyle, and then, I don't know. I ended up just doing this. I don't know. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and curled up the hair, the back. I curled up the ponytails. Hold on. So now we're about to fix these baby hairs. Take this band off. Can y'all hear me? I feel like I'm talking low, but it's knotted. Oh my gosh, just pulling my hair. Hold on. Damn, bro. I didn't think this simple behind hairstyle was gonna take so long. Like 2 ponytails and I'm struggling. But all right, I'll fix the rest of these curls later, but let's go ahead and fix these baby hairs. Let's see. We're just gonna curl these. I wish I had some cute little like diamonds or something to put. That'd be real cute. Hold up, if I did like a little curl sticking out here. Yeah, that'd be super cute. Ow, ow, ow. Cause I'm too much of a bet to with a loser. I pulled up in a Lamb, he pulled up in the Uber. Y'all heard Dream song? Y'all heard Dream Doll song? right, y'all. I don't know what else to do with this hairstyle. I don't really know where I was going with this. This is just a cute, simple one. 2 little pigtails, some curls. Boom. What y'all think? Pose for the camera. Cheese. Oh, wait. Let's get thumbnail. That's cute. But yeah, I just threw some curls in, threw a little pigtail in. I want to like make it more festive. Because I'm thinking about like a dramatic hairstyle I could do for Christmas. You know, get some cute fire pics, put on a cute outfit. But I don't want my hair to be basic. I want it to be a little extra. You know, like actual, maybe some diamonds or something. I don't know. I'm going to think about it. But this is a cute hairstyle, everyday hairstyle if you want. So yeah, just kind of wanted to show you guys how I did it. If you have any other hairstyles that you want me to try out, comment them down below. Actually, follow me on Instagram at _goldenv and DM the pictures to me, and I'll attempt to do them. This one is real simple. You see this everywhere, so this was nothing. But if you find like a good, cool one you want me to try out, let me know and I'll do it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm about to get ready, head outside before the day is over. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below some more video ideas that you would like me to do. Follow me on all my social media. It'll be in the description box. Don't forget to shop. Okay, here, this is the lip gloss of the day. Don't forget to shop at Gardenia & Gold. Let me add a little more. Yeah, baby, look at them lips. This one is Pink Carnation. So make sure you shop at Gardenia & Gold, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.